You might be making these mistakes. Are you on the keto diet but not seeing the results you expected? Or worse, are you gaining weight? Let's uncover the common keto mistakes that could be sabotaging your progress. In this video, we're diving deep into the top mistakes people make on keto that can lead to weight gain instead of weight loss, and more importantly, how to avoid them. By the end, you'll have the knowledge to make your keto journey a success. Alright, let's tackle a big one right out of the gate: overeating high-calorie foods. Many people mistakenly think that keto means they can eat unlimited amounts of fat. While healthy fats are a cornerstone of the keto diet, calories still matter. Fat has 9 calories per gram, compared to 4 calories per gram for both carbohydrates and protein. So, even though you're limiting carbs, eating too many calories from fat sources can still lead to weight gain. Be mindful of portion sizes, especially with calorie-dense keto staples like nuts, cheese, and fatty meats. These foods can be incredibly satisfying but are also easy to overeat. Remember, the key here is moderation and awareness. Enjoy these foods but be mindful of your serving sizes and listen to your body's cues. Now let's talk about a crucial element that often gets overlooked on the keto diet: fiber. While most people focus on cutting carbs and increasing fats, they often forget the importance of fiber in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that your body doesn't actually digest. Unlike other carbs that break down into sugars, fiber passes through your digestive system relatively intact, aiding in various bodily functions. On a keto diet, it's easy to fall short on fiber if you're not careful. Many keto-friendly foods are low in fiber, and without proper planning, you might find yourself lacking this essential nutrient. Fiber adds bulk to your diet, helps you feel fuller for longer, and prevents overeating. This is particularly beneficial on a keto diet where the goal is often weight loss and maintaining a feeling of satiety. Not getting enough fiber can lead to digestive issues like constipation and sabotage your weight loss efforts. Constipation can be particularly troublesome, causing discomfort and bloating, which can derail your progress. But here's the good news: plenty of delicious and keto-friendly foods are packed with fiber. You don't have to sacrifice taste or variety to meet your fiber needs. Avocados, chia seeds, and other seeds are excellent sources of fiber. These foods not only fit perfectly into a keto diet but also add a rich texture and flavor to your meals. And leafy greens like spinach, kale, and lettuce are excellent sources. These greens are versatile and can be easily incorporated into various dishes, from salads to smoothies. And lettuce are excellent sources. Including a variety of these greens ensures you get a range of nutrients along with your fiber intake. Make it a habit to include a generous serving of leafy greens with every meal. Whether it's a side salad, a green smoothie, or a main dish, these greens can significantly boost your fiber intake. Incorporating these fiber-rich foods into your keto diet will support your digestive health and help regulate your appetite. By making fiber a priority, you can enjoy the benefits of the keto diet while maintaining a healthy and balanced digestive system. Let's talk about a mistake that trips up a lot of people new to the keto diet: hidden carbs. These sneaky saboteurs can be found in the most unexpected places, and if you're not careful, they can derail your progress and kick you out of ketosis. Carbs can lurk in some unexpected places, and they can easily sabotage your progress. You might think you're making a healthy choice, but hidden carbs can be found in foods you wouldn't suspect, like certain vegetables, fruits, and even dairy products. Many processed foods, condiments, and sauces contain added sugars and starches that can kick you out of ketosis. It's not just the obvious sugary snacks you need to watch out for. Even savory items can be loaded with hidden carbs. Sugar hides under a variety of names, so it's crucial to become a label-reading detective. This means scrutinizing every ingredient list and being aware of the different names sugar can go by. Look out for terms like dextrose, fructose, maltose, sucrose, and corn syrup. These are all forms of sugar that can add up quickly and sabotage your keto efforts. And don't be fooled by products labeled sugar-free. They often contain sugar alcohols. While these might not spike your blood sugar as much as regular sugar, they can still impact your ketosis if consumed in large amounts. Be wary of hidden starches in sauces, dressings, and processed foods. These can be just as detrimental as hidden sugars, and they often go unnoticed. Common culprits include modified cornstarch and maltodextrin. These ingredients are often used as thickeners or fillers and can add unwanted carbs to your diet. Condiments like ketchup, BBQ sauce, and salad dressings can be loaded with hidden sugars. Even a small serving can contain enough sugar to affect your ketosis. Opt for low-carb or sugar-free alternatives, and check the labels carefully. Just because something is labeled as low-carb or sugar-free doesn't mean it's completely free of carbs or sugars. Flavored yogurt often contains a significant amount of added sugar. Even those that claim to be healthy can have more sugar than you might expect. Stick to plain yogurt and add your own flavorings like berries or nuts. This way you can control the amount of sugar and carbs you're consuming, ensuring you stay on track with your keto diet. Remember, the key to success on the keto diet is vigilance. Always read labels, be aware of hidden carbs, and make informed choices. By doing so, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of ketosis without any unexpected setbacks. With a little effort and attention to detail, you can navigate the world of hidden carbs and stay on the path to your keto goals. Happy ketoing! Let's talk about the importance of hydration on a keto diet. When you drastically reduce your carb intake, your body starts producing ketones for fuel, leading to increased water loss. This initial water weight loss is one of the reasons why people experience rapid weight loss in the first week or two of keto. But it's crucial to replenish those fluids to avoid dehydration. Dehydration can manifest in fatigue, headaches, constipation, and even weight gain. Thirst can often be mistaken for hunger, so try drinking a glass of water before reaching for a snack. Aim for half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. If you're physically active or live in a hot climate, you'll need to drink even more. Let's shed light on an often overlooked aspect of the keto diet: electrolyte balance. When people embark on the ketogenic journey, they often focus on cutting carbs and increasing fats, but they might not realize the importance of maintaining proper electrolyte levels. Electrolytes are essential for bodily functions including nerve and muscle function, hydration, and pH balance. They help transmit electrical signals in the body, ensuring that muscles contract properly and nerves send messages efficiently. When you transition to a ketogenic diet, your body sheds water weight, leading to electrolyte loss. This is because carbohydrates hold on to water in the body, and when you reduce carbs, you lose that water along with vital electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. This can result in symptoms known as the keto flu, like fatigue, headaches, muscle cramps, and brain fog. These symptoms can be quite debilitating and may discourage people from continuing with the diet. Replenishing your electrolytes is relatively simple. By making a few adjustments to your diet, you can avoid these unpleasant symptoms and stay on track with your keto goals. Increase your salt intake with Himalayan pink salt or sea salt. These types of salt contain additional minerals that can be beneficial for your health. Drink bone broth, which is naturally rich in electrolytes. Bone broth is not only a great source of sodium but also provides collagen and other nutrients that support joint and gut health. Ensure you're getting enough potassium and magnesium from foods like avocados, spinach, salmon, and almonds. These foods are keto-friendly and packed with essential nutrients that support overall health. These electrolytes play a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, nerve function, and muscle contractions. Without adequate electrolytes, you might experience muscle weakness, irregular heartbeats, and other health issues. Don't be afraid to add a pinch of salt to your food or drink some bone broth. By being mindful of your electrolyte intake, you can enjoy the benefits of the keto diet without the discomfort of the keto flu. Remember, a well-balanced diet is key to long-term success and well-being. Let's talk about the allure of keto snacks and processed foods, and why they might be hindering your weight loss progress. Just because something is labeled keto doesn't necessarily mean it's healthy or conducive to weight loss. Many processed keto snacks are loaded with artificial ingredients, unhealthy fats, and hidden carbs. These snacks can disrupt your taste buds and make it harder to feel satisfied with whole, unprocessed foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods as the foundation of your keto diet. Think leafy greens, non-starchy vegetables, healthy fats, and quality protein sources. If you need a snack, opt for whole food options like a handful of nuts or a hard-boiled egg. These foods are naturally low in carbs and high in nutrients, making them the perfect foundation for a healthy and sustainable keto lifestyle. Let's talk about the importance of tracking your macros on a ketogenic diet. The ketogenic diet is all about achieving a metabolic state called ketosis, where your body starts burning fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates. The key to unlocking ketosis lies in maintaining a specific ratio of macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, and fat. Aim for 70 to 80% of your calories from fat, 20 to 25% from protein, and 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Macro tracking allows you to ensure that you're staying within your target macro ranges. Without tracking, it's easy to underestimate your carb intake, potentially kicking you out of ketosis. Use apps like MyFitnessPal, Carb Manager, or Chronometer to track your macros. These apps make the process simple and convenient, empowering you to make informed food choices. We've covered a lot of ground today, so let's recap those common keto mistakes that might be stalling your weight loss. Watch out for overeating high-calorie foods, even healthy fats. Prioritize fiber intake, become a label-reading detective for hidden carbs, and stay hydrated. Don't underestimate the importance of electrolyte balance, and be mindful of processed keto snacks. Consider tracking your macros to ensure you're staying within the target range for ketosis. Staying consistent and patient is key. With the right knowledge and effort, you can overcome these common mistakes and see amazing results.